You've already given us so many good tips for systems and goals. Any other productivity hacks or tips that you'd like to share?
I would say I usually talk about this one when folks come to me and they're just like, I am completely overwhelmed. You know, I am this like consistent overwhelm. There's never enough time and I just like cannot keep up. I share with folks my P.A.D. system. So it's this idea of pay, automate, delegate, or delete the overwhelm away. And so I'll talk about automation a little bit on this one because I think, especially in this day and age with AI and things like that, automations are where business owners are going to take huge leaps with ease versus other business owners who maybe aren't adopting things like automation. So I'll say just one of the most basic automations that I think every business owner, especially in the coaching space, should have. And I like Zapier for automations. You can do automations in Notion. There's also Make. There's a variety of tools out there. Choose what you like or come talk to me and I'll help you find one. But when we talk about CRM, with your leads, so having some sort of automation so that you manually don't need to be doing that. So whatever that trigger event is for you, maybe that's booking a discovery call or filling out an intake form, whatever that event is, you have to identify that and then automating them into your Notion workspace, your CRM, wherever you're managing those leads, so that that is not a step you should be taking, right? And then also gathering some intake information before your discovery call, so that you only need a few minutes to prep. I mean, I need like 3 minutes to prep for a discovery call. It didn't used to be that way, but I now have an automation in Zapier. When somebody books a call with me, they fill out an intake form. I see the key information about the business. I know based on what their revenue is, how long they've been in business, how large their team is, their pain points. I generally know where I'm gonna, recommend they go. And I need like 2 minutes before the call to prep. So that is like, I would say one of the most baseline automations I would recommend, especially coaches have in place. Any service-based business owner, it's gonna save you so much time.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I think from a health perspective, those intake forms can be the same, but obviously different questions. We're asking, what have they tried before that's worked or not worked? What are their biggest symptoms that they're struggling with? Like, what are they actually feeling on a day-to-day basis that's getting in the way of their wanting to live the life that they want to live? What they want in terms of timeliness, right? So some people are going to want hour-long workouts and this type of thing, where other people are like, I'm so busy, I can only fit a 15-minute workout in. So asking a little bit about their time, their desires. So all of those things, like you said, can be input earlier on rather than having to go through all those things during the call, so that when you do get on a call with somebody, that you're really tailoring the conversation to match their goals, their pain points, their desires, all of that.
Yeah. And then, I mean, I always have my marketing hat on. It's market research for you too, right? Like, so that you really know who your clients are, and it's going to help you down the road when you start running paid ads. You're going to know these pain points in the words that they're using, right?
Absolutely.
That's so important. And what an easier way to do it than an intake form. You can build them in Notion. They're great. So that would be like the most basic recommendation, I would say, for a business owner, no matter what stage. Make sure you have your leads automating into whatever system you're using, whatever CRM.
Yeah. And people sometimes like filling those out because they like to know that you have the information on them. They want to know that you're tailoring the conversation to them as well too. And so it's not necessarily a headache. Some people think like, oh, I don't want to send too many forms early on. But if it's a simple, easy to fill out form that's not on a complicated system or software that they can just easily access through email and then hit submit, then people actually...
I think it comes off more polished, in my opinion. Like when I have to fill out an intake form, it's not like multiple pages. Okay, we're talking like 6 questions or less maybe.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. I'm like, oh, this business owner has it. Like, I feel like I'm in good hands.
Right.
They're proactive. I know our call is going to be efficient. It's going to be quick. They're not wasting my time. And I appreciate that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's such a good point.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but if you are a health or wellness professional and you haven't yet checked out The Wellness Vault, you're missing out. The Wellness Vault is a content hub for coaches who create their own plans and programs for their clients, run workshops, create digital guides, and so much more. You can now do all of this in a fraction of the time, so you can focus on your clients and grow your business faster than ever with more you time. The link to The Wellness Vault is in the show notes, so go sign up for your free trial today. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.